Loosen your BRITAX shoulder straps easily today? To loosen the shoulder straps on a BRITAX ClickTight car seat, press the gray release lever button located on the front of the seat just below the chest clip, while simultaneously pulling both shoulder straps forward. Alternatively, for significant adjustments, open the ClickTight panel and adjust the hip harness straps from the bottom. Detailed steps for loosening straps. Front adjustment method. Locate the harness adjustment window on the front of the seat, usually near a ClickTight label. Press and hold down the gray button, often located just above the black tightening strap. While holding the button, pull forward on both shoulder straps to loosen them. Note: do not pull on the shoulder pads, as these are connected to the seat and will not move. Pull the harness straps directly. Major length adjustment. If needed, open the ClickTight panel by turning the key and lifting the seat. Access the harness straps from the bottom and unhook them from the splitter plate if necessary to adjust length, ensuring they are not twisted. Troubleshooting tips. Evenness. Loosening one side usually adjusts the other side automatically, but ensure they remain even. Stuck straps. If the harness feels stuck, ensure the seat is not in a locked, upright position, and try lifting the headrest to relieve pressure on the harness system. Always refer to your specific BRITAX model's manual for safety, as procedures can vary slightly between models like the 1.4 Life, Boulevard, or Poplar.